Come on. What up? You see me in shirt? What's good, son? This how we doing. We taking this thing apart. Come up here and do this shit, man. This is my cameraman. Come on, talk to me, man. Get through it. See what I'm doing? Take these damn bolts off and shit. About to go remove the whole cap. Hey, that pipe already down? That's what we do. Make sure it's still recording. Yeah. Come on close. You gotta get up in this shit. So we gotta remove the cap. Get this last bolt off here. Get down. Going inside of the entire motor. That's how we do it, man. Who that? See this right here? Inside of the motor, son. That's how we do it. Alright, bro, I gotta get a, that's a half inch. Hold tight. Cool. Shit kinda tight. Yeah. That's one loose. It's a big ass damn top end, bro. Nope, it's fresh. Hey, you got it on the timing point right now? Nope, it's definitely not. Back it back, just back it back up. Back it up, back it up. Right there, hold right there. Oh my God. No, it's on the timing, feel the damn exhaust. That's the problem why the bitch wasn't running right there.
Right, it's just the bottom one needs to be.
The bottom one is all the way smashed shut. Let me make sure that damn timing put up.
You might have to put it all the way on.
No, it is. It is. Yeah, that's it. Yep. That's it. That's the timing point right there. Yeah, look, it's not. Get up close right quick. I want you to get something. See how this one here is moving? This one at the bottom here completely shut. It's shut exhaust valve. That motherfucker basically was suffocating itself. That's why when they crank up, it kept turning off. Hey, you can start the video, I know anyway.